Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We want to have a kitchen island, but our kitchen is really small. The plan is to have something on wheels that will live here for most of the time, and then when we are ready to prep and cook, we can move out the kitchen island and position it anywhere we want. Let's do some research and see what's out there. Initially, I wanted to build something similar to what Ethan has, but since we have such a small kitchen, we need some cabinet space. Anna White's video is very good, but I'm not very good at building cabinets, so our first round of indoor furniture will probably be these Ikea hacks. Let's go to Home Depot and Ikea to pick everything up. The bad news is Ikea did not have any of these pieces, so I had to order them online. They came a few days later. The good news is Home Depot had the paint, primer, candles, and Castor wheels we want to use. Let's unbox these and figure out which pieces we need to paint first. These are the 6 pieces we need to paint. I double checked with the wife and she confirmed we will paint these 3 and these over here. First is to use some 220 sandpaper. This is the first time I'm ever using primer. This is the paint. They also added some color to the primer, so that's pretty cool. Let's move everything into the garage and get started. Good morning. The lighting is a little bit different. Last night I sanded first and then painted some primer. This morning I also sanded a little bit because there were random chunks and I just want to make sure everything's nice and smooth. Let's start painting. While we wait for all of these pieces to dry, we're gonna head back in and see what I can assemble and what other things I can do. Let's go ahead and unbox them. I messed up a little bit. I thought this was going to be the bottom, but it will actually be the back, and I didn't need to paint that piece. Going to paint that. At least we have a door done. The piece that I ended up painting, this will be the bottom. I'm also going to figure out how to put wheels on here. Let's paint and get those wheels going. We are going back to Home Depot. I was thinking about using these smaller Ikea fasteners for the wheels, but I don't know how much weight we're putting on there, so I'm using these fatter ones that I use on my little chair. It holds my weight pretty good. I'm 200 pounds, so hopefully these will be enough to support the kitchen island. We will be right back. I got the wheels on there. This is the specific fastener, a 1/4 diameter, 3/4 length. Hopefully they hold it okay. I got the paint on the back piece. Going to wait for that to dry, bringing in all of these pieces so we can assemble the cabinet part. Hopefully that isn't too difficult. We will see what happens after everything is built. We have a box. I'm trying to figure out where to install the drawers. According to this, I think we are building this one. So 17 from the bottom. Let's get that installed. Keep working. IKEA cabinets are way easier than trying to make your own. Everything functions smoothly and it even has the slow close. Same thing with these down here. Let's take the butcher block outside and I have to cut it so it fits onto here. I'm not too sure what it's going to look like yet, but let's come back into the garage and make a cut. I felt so bad cutting a brand new butcher block. Luckily, this is the IKEA one and it's not solid wood. They did include some nice edge banding for us to stick on and sand off. Let's bring that back inside, and my understanding is we fasten it through these, and this is the fastener we use. It's getting pretty close. We are all done. There is a kitty cat. Got the handles on there, the butcher block on there. It moves around, so we could bring it to anywhere we want in the kitchen. Video 76 done.